Hello everyone, myself Pallavi. I secured All India Rank 9 and this year ICAR JRF Plant Sciences examination. I have completed my graduation from GB Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, Pantnagar, Uttarakhand. Talking about my preparation strategy, I started my preparation from third year onwards. As you all know that plant sciences is a vast subject group, so you have to cover a lot of subjects like genetics, plant breeding, plant pathology, seed technology, microbiology, etc. For genetics, I refer Genetics by B.D. Singh and also I refer Genetics Made Easy by Kalyani Publications. For objective purpose, I referred Objective Genetics by B.D. Singh and B.K. Prasad. For plant breeding, I referred Principles and Methods of Plant Breeding by B.D. Singh and also I referred Objective Plant Breeding by B.D. Singh and B.K. Prasad. For plant pathology, I referred Fungi, Bacteria and Viruses by H.C. Dubey and also I referred Angrew Notes for Diseases and Basic Part. Along with this, I also referred a book that is Plant Pathology and Overview by S.S. Sharma and M.S. Coker. I would recommend you to read this book also because 2 to 3 questions this year were asked from this book only. So you have to read and revise it more because it's a kind of factual book. So you have to revise it for retaining the facts for longer time. For seed technology, I referred Principles of Seed Technology by P.K. Agrawal and also I referred Seed Science and Technology at a Glance by Venu Devan and Vijay Lakshmi. I would recommend you to read the tables carefully because most of the questions were asked in seed technology were from table part. So read, revise and glance the tables carefully and don't skip table part. For microbiology, I referred first 5 and last 5 chapters of Thoreau and Kapoor. Don't read the book whole. Just stick to the first 5 and last 5 chapter. It's enough for the exam point of view. For plant physiology and biochemistry, I referred Ellen module and solve objectives from Ellen module only. For general agriculture, I referred Nimraj Sunda book, and for agriculture current affairs, I joined some Telegram group that I go through on daily basis for updating myself regarding agriculture current affairs. This year, 4 questions were asked from current affairs part. So try to prepare current affairs along with your course syllabus. Don't skip current affairs because from last 2 to 3 years, questions were coming from this part only. So this is all about the book strategy that I followed during my preparation. Now my sincere advice to all the future JRF Plant Science aspirant is select your subject wisely and according to your interest. Stick to the syllabus given by ICAR because most of the questions they were asking were from the topics they mentioned in the syllabus. Focus more on concept clearance rather than just cramming the subject because the pattern of questions coming from last 2 to 3 years is quite conceptual and more of assertion, reason, statement based and type of questions are coming which you can only answer when you have a good concept command. So try to build concept rather than just cramming the subject. Solve many objectives because solving objectives can boost your confidence and also helpful to you in identifying your weak areas. For this, I joined Regalia test series that helped me a lot by providing the same pattern of questions that are coming in the examination, like more of assertion, reason, statement based, as the following, true, false, etc. Initially, they provided chapter-wise mock test, and afterward, they provided grand mock test in which whole syllabus was covered. That helped me in completing my own syllabus within a limited time frame. Joining Regalia test series provides me a competitive environment, and I also got to know where I stand and in which parts I have to do more work. The mentors are very cordial as they clear our doubts after completing the test and also guided us and motivates us during the preparation. Don't segregate subject as major and minor because this year the weightage of plant pathology and seed technology is quite high. So I would recommend you to give equal importance to all the subjects while preparing. Don't segregate subject as it's a minor and it's major. One thing that helped me a lot during my preparation is group study. Try to make a group of like-minded people and discuss according to your strategy and timetable. Like we have a group of 3 people and my friend Ankita secured All India rank 6 and my friend Sumit secured all India rank 21 in this year ICAR JRF Plant Science examination. So it will also be beneficial for you. Revise as much as you can because there is no shortcut of hard work, so you have to revise. Now I would like to pay my sincere gratitude to Regalia platform for providing me this opportunity to share my strategy with you all. I hope it would be beneficial for you. Thank you.